Hello and welcome. Today we are installing a new graphics card. Look to see what kind of graphics card can actually fit into your system before you buy a new graphics card. There are different styles and different makes and different models. Some motherboards can accept some graphics cards, and some graphics cards don't work well with some motherboards. So do your research before buying a graphics card. In this case, our graphics card is going to fit into this slot right here. In front of that slot, there's a panel that needs to come out so that it will accept the graphics card. In this case, it's just a screw. Pull the guard off. Pull this out. In this case, we can actually slide it in here because there's an empty spot that needs to be closed off. We then go ahead and put our graphics card in. This little tab right here lines up with the little slot down in the bottom. Make sure all your cables are out of the way. It's lined up. And give it a push. It should slide firmly into the slot. You don't need excessive force. You're not using jackhammers or sledgehammers or any other kind of power tool or hand tool to put these things in. Just simply push it in. It'll seat into place. If it's not, take the time to look. Something's not right. Does not take excessive force to put these things in. Now that we have it in, we can go ahead and put this metal guard back on that helps hold these things in place. There you go. Plug everything back in. Turn the system back on. It will find new hardware. It will install the hardware. Maybe it came, your new graphics card came with a CD with the drivers on it. Go ahead and run that. It's always a good idea to also go to the manufacturer's website after you get up and running and see if there's any updates from them as well. And that's it. Enjoy and have a good day. Thank you.